Hi, this is Joe's Uh-Oh of the Week. Car came in with not shifting correctly. He said at traffic lights he would stop and he applied the accelerator. The engine would race, but the car would not move. That usually indicates that the clutches are slipping in the transmission. So we pulled the pan down and we test drove it and confirmed that that's exactly what's happening. So we pulled the pan down. We wanted to see what kind of condition the valve body and the bottom of the pan is. So what we found was this metal caked to the magnet. And all this hard pieces like metal like that, that's internal. The black stuff could be clutch material, but that's gear material right there. So that's not going to make it for this guy. He's going to wind up needing the transmission overhauled on this. He's looking $3,500 to $4,500 on this. So we're going to give him a call and see what happens. But periodically, the mileage on most vehicles is about every 30,000 miles. Have your transmission service. Pull the pan down, put a filter in there, clean all the dirt out. Every 30,000. This thing's got 196,000 miles on it. So relatively speaking, this guy's transmission owes him nothing. But maybe a little bit longer if he had serviced it more often. But that's not bad. That's Joe's Uh-Oh.